Hey, Steve. Today somebody asked me about my job measuring the quality of nuts and bolts, and I told them it was quite riveting.
Hey, Ken, what do you call a happy manufacturing facility?
I don't know. What do you call it?
A satisfactory.
Well, you know, that's not really as funny as us trying to carry these parts around and take them back and forth to the stationary measuring device. There's got to be a better way.
You think maybe we could get a mobile measuring device? I've seen them in other plants and they really do work pretty well.
I don't know. Let's ask.
Hey, Mike, we got a question for you.
We had an idea for a mobile measuring device so that we didn't have to carry these parts everywhere. We thought it would be more efficient and it wouldn't take up so much time every week.
That's a great idea, but I think I'll have to do a cost-benefit analysis to see how it would impact our cost of quality. Let me do some research and I'll get back to you. Hey, Dave.
Yeah, Mike.
The guys out on the floor have a great idea. They would like to purchase a mobile measuring device. The theory is that it will be more efficient and it will save time. Can we do a cost-benefit analysis to see how it would impact our cost of quality?
Yeah, that sounds great. So let's go ahead and do that formula for cost-benefit analysis. All right, well, the first thing we need to do is outline the current process. How many hours do we spend each week measuring these parts?
It takes about 4 hours every week at $26 an hour. How much would that cost us per year?
So the current state process costs us $5,408 per year. Now let's consider the new mobile measuring device. How much time will that take to measure parts each week?
It would take about 2 hours at $26 an hour. So how much would that cost each year?
So the future state process with this new equipment is going to cost us $2,704 per year. What about the cost of this new equipment?
The new equipment will cost $2,100. Can you help determine if we should buy the new mobile measuring device by using the cost-benefit equation?
Sure, let's do the math. So our result is a 0.77 payoff. That 0.77 payoff means the equipment will have paid for itself in about 0.77 of a year, which is about 40 weeks or 9 months. That proves that this would be a good decision. Now let's talk about the impact this will have on our cost of quality. So the point to understand here is that not all costs are bad costs. We need inspection, which is a cost of good quality, to prevent defects, which is a cost of poor quality. With this particular equipment, our cost of good quality will be slightly reduced, and then it's up to us to find a way to have it help us reduce our cost of bad quality. So ultimately, I'm good with acquiring this new equipment. Go ahead and please proceed with purchasing it.
That's great. I'll go let the techs know. Great news, guys. We decided to get the mobile measuring device. It'll be here in a month.
Oh, awesome. That's really going to help make this go a lot faster.
Yeah, and maybe we can fit in some more jokes and maybe even venture into some juggling.
Whatever gets you through your day.